The following video will go through the steps of how to navigate and enable HOS exemptions on Geotab Drive. To begin, you'll want to click on the HOS tab, then scroll down and select View Exceptions. Now you're able to see the exemptions that the driver has available to them. You're going to want to select the exemption you want to use. For this example, we'll use the personal conveyance. Select Start, and it tells you what this exemption is about. And now you have to enter an annotation in order to apply the exemption. The annotation just needs to detail why you are using the exemption today. Once you've done that, click Apply. And if you scroll back up, you'll be able to see that the exemption has been applied. To disable the exemption, simply scroll down and click Stop. And now your exemption has been disabled. And those are the steps of how to navigate and enable HOS exemptions on Geotab Drive.